So here's how you proceed. You import the custom step class from the package. Then you instantiate an object based on the class. Add a starter page. Add an about page. Then to see the results of your work, use the create custom step method to save the custom step object to a place in the file system. So it's called custom step example 1. Let's run it. Seems to have completed without errors. Let's open the custom step to see if things look good. And they do seem to look good. You got a starter page and you got an about page where you can insert your real content that the about page needs to contain.